So first of all, let's talk about how we can create an array in Python NumPy. So in order to do so, we simply type import NumPy as np. So we import the NumPy package as np. Then we simply type np.array because we want to create an array. And suppose that we want to create a one-dimensional array. So for example, with a bunch of numbers, for example, 1, 2, and 3, and let's store that in a variable, let's say called x. And now if I print the x variable, and also if I print the type of the x variable, and if I run the code, you can see that here is our array, and you can see the type of that x variable is NumPy ND array, means n-dimensional array. So in this case, it's a one-dimensional array. And here is a question. What is the benefit of using the NumPy array instead of, for example, Python lists or tuples? So for example, because we can define a list of numbers, for example, 1, 2, and 3. So here is a question. What is the benefit of using NumPy array instead of the lists? So in order to explain this, let's define another list, let's say called B, and it contains a couple of numbers, 2, 2, and 2. And now if, for example, suppose that I want to do an element-wise multiplication. So maybe you say, okay, I can simply type A times B. And now if I run the code, you can see that we get error. Why? Because the lists do not support the element-wise multiplication. But the arrays do support the element-wise multiplication. So for example, we define another variable, let's say called y, and then we simply define np.array. We define a array. So for example, they are 2, 2, and 2. And now if I print x times y, and if I run the code, you can see here's the output. And you can see that one of the benefits of using the NumPy arrays is using the element-wise operations.